Ow! It's overheating my genitals. Stop. It's overheating my genitals. I can't take this. I can't take this. I'm gonna try it one more time. It's overheating my genitals. Help me. Help me. Help. They're hurting me. Dad, I love you, Mom. They're gonna kill me in my sleep. They're overheating my genitals. I'm gonna zero it out again. I'm gonna stand up and take it in front of the morning show. They're gonna overheat my genitals. Alright. And again. Right there again. They're overheating my genitals. Help me. They're overheating my genitals. I need help. I need help. Help me.